Hey there, it's Luke, your digital concierge at Gramophone, and today we have another unboxing for you. The brand new Audioengine A1. The all-new A1s by Audioengine, coming in at just under $200, are the new entry point into the now famous series of wireless speakers by Audioengine. Alright guys, so this is going to be exciting because this is a brand new product, so we're going to jump right into it. As you can see, there's not a lot going on with the box here, so not much to talk about, so let's dive in. Inside our box, we have another box. So right here on the top is our power cable, 3.5mm analog cable, some speaker wire. We have our quick start guide, and a little bag with some other Audioengine products. And here are our speakers. Okay, so here are the A1s. They have a similar size to the A2 Plus. Just ever so slightly smaller. You can see the driver type is a little bit different. Maybe slightly smaller tweeter too, but actually quite similar. But the cabinet is different. You can tell the A2s have a little bit of a different finish going on. This is a little bit of a more Spartan finish, but cabinet still feels solid, still feels quality. If we take a look at the back of the powered unit, we have our volume knob, which controls the power just when you click it on, and then the rest is just simply volume. A subwoofer out port, which would be good with the S8 sub from Audioengine. That is a pairing button for Bluetooth connectivity right there. And then of course your terminals for your other speaker, as well as your power. And then looking at the other speaker, as you can imagine, really straightforward, have your speaker terminals. Pretty standard zip cord speaker wire, but I do like how it's color coded. One is bare copper and one is tinned. That way you can easily tell positive and negative. And it kind of has a cool look with the transparent coating on there. We've also covered many other Audioengine products as well, so be sure to go back and check out those videos too. Lots of great stuff from Audioengine. To dive into the specs and features of the A1 by Audioengine, many of which were pulled down from the very famous and very excellent A2 Plus, such as the aramid fiber woofers. This is an excellent woofer cone, and if you don't know, aramid fiber is the same kind of material that Kevlar is. It's very stiff, it's very tough. It's everything you want in a speaker cone, and we all know how good it sounds if we've heard the A2 Plus. Also looking at the tweeter, notice it is a silk dome tweeter. Silk domes have long been a staple in the audio industry because they are clean, they are clear, and they are something that just gets the job done and does it well. Just like in the A2 Plus, used to maximum effectiveness here in the A1. Now, if you look at the cabinets, you might at first glance say they look a little Spartan, but the whole goal of the A1 is no frills, to give you maximum sonic quality for your dollar. And though they may look a little more simple, all the functionality is there in this cabinet. The cabinets have been well tuned and there's no trickery going on here. No fake bass boosting or digital signal processing or anything like that. Just good overall engineering and design, as we would always expect from these wonderful products from Audioengine. Alright guys, and I'm going to talk on the design aspects of the A1 a little bit. Now at first glance, you might say, well, is there a whole lot going on here? The answer is not really, but I do mean that in the best way. Because when the design of the A1 is all about what's going on the inside, more so than what's going on the outside. But that said, you can still see this is a nicely cut and rounded cabinet, and the finish feels nicely textured for the price point. I really can't complain about it at all, it's very nice. On the bottom, you still have that great Audioengine foot that makes these really stable on a desk. You can see that your cabinet is still ported. And just like the A2 Plus, these are going to resemble that on the inside. So it's really solid construction. These don't have any resonance to them. They feel solid. Both of them have a decent and satisfying weight in the hand. And for a product whose design from the get-go has been all about just giving you the most sonic performance for your dollar, I still think it ended up in an attractive package. As for the dimensions of the A1s, they stand 6 inches tall, have a depth of 5 1/4, and a width of 4 inches. They also weigh 6.7 pounds. Now you'll hear that and think, Luke, these are really small, man. Yes, they are, but that is not a detractor in any way. Audioengine has designed these to give you the absolute most output for their size and to fit perfectly into small desks and things like dorm rooms, small offices, but still give you that big listening experience. All in all, the combination of great versatility and high sonic quality makes for an intriguing product, and that at a price point of under $200 is virtually a no-brainer. Next, I'll note the compatibility of the A1, first just starting with the old guard analog connection, which is a 3.5mm jack, which you can use very versatilely to connect all kinds of things, such as a TV, for squeezing these into a dorm room and getting a little bit better audio out of your television, small desk for a computer, tuck them underneath your monitor, even a turntable, take that and convert it to 3.5, really any analog in. And then if you look at the side here, you can see a little button. That is for activating the Bluetooth pairing. These also use Bluetooth 5.0, so it is the highest standard currently available and sounds great when you're streaming over your phone or other smart device for doing things like Amazon Music, Tidal, Spotify, Pandora, you name it. And finally, if you look at the back, you can also see a subwoofer out. Designed to pair up with Audioengine's own S8 sub, really easily, auto crossovers, boom. The Audioengine A1 is one of the best compact bang for your buck audio solutions I've heard in quite some time. And they also, because of their low cost and small size, make for a great gift idea. Give your loved ones the gift of great audio. Trust me, they'll be surprised. Here at Gramophone, we strive to give our customers the best quality products and to do so at the most reasonable prices. We've been serving the greater Maryland and Washington, D.C. metro areas for over 44 years. So whether you're an audiophile, a tech enthusiast, a potential buyer, or you just love watching our videos, make sure you subscribe to our channel and keep up with all of our latest product highlights, interviews, and much, much more. If you have any questions, be sure to give us a call or stop by one of our showrooms in Timonium, Columbia, Gaithersburg, or Hunt Valley, Maryland. Don't forget to take a look at Gramophone.com, and if you want to get your own pair of Audioengine A1s, click the link in the description down below and head on over to skybygramophone.com, where you can purchase via secure checkout and receive your speakers in just 3 to 5 business days. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and drop a comment down below, and make sure to subscribe to our channel for all of your audio and home theater needs. But don't forget, we want to hear from you guys. What do you guys think of the A1s? And if you had a pair, what would you do with them? Also, what do you want to see from me in the future? As always, thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.